Hello everyone! Before we delve into today's topic, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Today, we're tackling a crucial digital survival skill, recovering a Facebook account. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to recover your Facebook account like a pro. Firstly, you need to know that Facebook has a standard procedure for account recovery. Let's break it down. Step 1. Head over to the Facebook login page. You'll find an option there that says, "Forgot your password?" It's a lifeline for those who are locked out of their accounts. Click on it. Step 2. You'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. This is how Facebook identifies you. Type it in and hit continue. Step 3. Now, Facebook will guide you through their recovery process. They might send a code to your email or phone or ask you to answer security questions. Follow their instructions carefully. But here's the catch. Sometimes you might not have access to the recovery email or phone number, or maybe you've forgotten the answers to your security questions. This is when things get tricky. This process may seem straightforward, but it can be quite challenging if you can't access your recovery email or phone number. In such cases, you might need the help of a professional or a white hat hacker. These experts use ethical hacking techniques to recover your account. They understand the ins and outs of security systems, making them uniquely qualified to navigate complex recovery processes. While ensuring your data's safety and privacy, they also provide a faster recovery process. It's like having a virtual superhero on your side. Remember, it's always better to seek help from a professional than to risk your personal data. Recovering a Facebook account may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and help, it becomes manageable. Remember, the steps we've discussed and the benefits of professional aid can make this process easier. If you found this video helpful, please drop a comment and share it with others. Don't forget to check the video description or pinned comment for professional assistance. Until next time, stay safe online.